1971, Dodge unleashed the Dart Demon. And yeah, the name caused a lot of controversy. It had a 340 cubic inch V8, over 275 horsepower, and could smoke tires like a true muscle car. But here's the kicker. Religious groups protested the Demon name. Dodge didn't care. They even added a cartoon devil badge on the fender. Savage move. This car wasn't just fast, it was rebellious. A compact body, a beastly heart, and a name that made headlines. The Dart Demon wasn't built to be polite, it was built to raise hell.